Imagine a team of doctors. They have spent weeks analyzing thousands of medical scans. They are looking for tiny, almost invisible signs of a rare disease. This work is slow and difficult. The human eye can miss things. A single mistake could change a person's life forever. Now, imagine a new tool. An AI program looks at the same 1,000 scans. It does not get tired. It does not get distracted. In just a few seconds, it highlights every single scan with a potential issue. It is more accurate than any human doctor. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now, today, in hospitals around the world. AI has performed a complex task, once reserved for highly trained experts, in the blink of an eye. This power can feel shocking. It can feel a little scary. When we see a machine do something that we thought only a human could do, it is natural to worry. We ask ourselves, what does this mean for my job? What does this mean for my future? The world is changing faster than ever before. The tools we use are becoming smarter. This change is not something to fear. It is something to understand. It is a new chapter in our human story. Like the invention of the printing press or the internet, AI is a powerful tool that will reshape our society. The solution is not to resist this change, but to learn how to navigate it and use these new tools to our advantage. The promise of this new era is not that machines will replace us. The promise is that machines will help us. They can take over the repetitive parts, boring parts, difficult parts of our jobs. This frees us up to focus on what humans do best. We can focus on creativity. We can focus on critical thinking. We can focus on empathy and connecting with other people. AI can be our co-pilot, our assistant, our creative partner. It is a tool that can amplify our own abilities. The key is to learn how to work alongside it. This essay will show you how. The changes we see today are just the beginning. The AI revolution will touch every industry and every job in some way. It is important to look at specific examples. This helps us move from fear to understanding. We can see how AI is not just a vague concept, but a practical tool with real benefits. Over the next few sections, we will explore 10 different ways AI is already being used and will be used in the future. How AI is used. Analyzing medical scans, spotting patterns and symptoms, helping doctors choose treatments. Jobs benefited. Doctors, nurses, radiologists, lab technicians. Why it helps. AI handles data-heavy tasks, so healthcare workers can focus more on patients and decision-making. How AI is used. Custom learning plans, AI tutors, automatic feedback on assignments. Jobs benefited. Teachers, tutors, education designers. Why it helps. Teachers spend less time grading and more time helping students who need it. How AI is used. Writing basic code, finding bugs, automating testing. Jobs benefited. Programmers, software engineers, QA testers. Why it helps. Developers can work faster and focus on creative or complex problems. How AI is used. Drafting music, art, writing, video edits. Jobs benefited. Designers, writers, video editors, musicians. Why it helps. AI acts like a creative assistant, speeding up brainstorming and production. How AI is used. Chatbots, voice assistants, ticket routing. Jobs benefited. Support agents, managers. Why it helps. Humans handle complex or emotional issues, while AI handles simple questions. How AI is used. Smart robots, quality control, predictive maintenance. Jobs benefited. Engineers, technicians, factory supervisors. Why it helps. AI reduces repetitive labor and workplace accidents. How AI is used. Self-driving features, traffic optimization, route planning. Jobs benefited. Logistics planners, fleet managers. Why it helps. Safer roads, less congestion, more efficient deliveries. How AI is used. Fraud detection, budget forecasting, automated bookkeeping. Jobs benefited. Accountants, financial analysts. Why it helps. AI handles calculations. Humans focus on strategy and advice. How AI is used. Analyzing massive datasets, discovering patterns humans might miss. Jobs benefited. Scientists, researchers, engineers. Why it helps. Faster discoveries in medicine, climate science, and technology. How AI is used. Speech to text, vision assistants, adaptive interfaces. Jobs benefited. People with disabilities, caregivers, educators. Why it helps. AI makes work, learning, and communication more accessible. By looking at this wide range of examples, you will start to see a pattern. AI excels at processing vast amounts of data. AI excels at finding patterns. AI excels at automating predictable tasks. This allows human workers to shift their focus to higher-level work. They can handle complex exceptions. They can build relationships. They can make strategic decisions. The goal is to see AI as a partner in progress, a tool that helps us do our jobs better and live more fulfilling lives. As we explore these examples, try to think about your own job or your own field of study. How could a tool that analyzes data quickly help you? How could an assistant that automates emails or schedules make your day easier? The principles behind these big examples can be applied on a smaller, personal scale. Understanding the how and why of AI in different industries is the first step toward imagining how it can be a part of your own professional toolkit. The future is not about being an expert in everything. It is about being curious enough to see the connections between new technology and your personal goals, and then taking action to learn more. First, let's look at healthcare. AI is being used here as a powerful diagnostic assistant. Imagine an AI model trained on millions of medical images, like X-rays, MRIs, CT scans. When a new scan is taken, the AI can analyze it in seconds. It compares the new image to all the others it has learned from. It can spot subtle patterns that might indicate the early stages of a disease, like cancer or heart conditions. These patterns are often too small or faint for the human eye to catch easily. The AI acts as a second set of eyes for the radiologist, flagging areas of concern that require a closer look from the human expert. The main beneficiaries of this technology are patients and doctors. For patients, it can mean earlier diagnosis. When diseases are caught early, treatment is often more effective and less invasive. This can lead to better health outcomes and can literally save lives. For doctors and radiologists, the AI is a time-saving tool. It handles the initial repetitive screening of hundreds of images. This reduces their workload and helps prevent burnout. It allows these highly skilled professionals to focus their valuable time and expertise on the most complex cases, and on interacting with their patients, providing the human touch and empathy that a machine cannot. Why is this so helpful? It improves both accuracy and efficiency in our healthcare system. It also helps to standardize the quality of care. Now, let's consider the world of education. AI is emerging as a personalized tutor for every student. Imagine a learning platform that adapts to your individual pace and style. As you answer questions, read materials, the AI learns what you know and where you are struggling. If you're having trouble with a math concept, it can provide extra problems, tutorial videos, or a different way of explaining the idea. If you master a topic quickly, it can move you ahead to more advanced material. The primary beneficiaries are students and teachers, like having a personal tutor available 24/7. It builds confidence and challenges those who are ready for more. For teachers, AI handles basic instruction and practice, so teachers can focus on meaningful interactions, lead discussions, mentor students, provide targeted support. One teacher can't individually teach 30 students perfectly. AI makes individualized learning possible at scale. Let's turn our attention to the world of manufacturing. Here, AI is the brain behind the smart factory. It is used for predictive maintenance and quality control. The AI can then schedule maintenance automatically, ordering parts and alerting a technician. Factory owners gain efficiency and reduce downtime. Workers are safer and more proactive. Consumers get higher quality at lower cost. It makes manufacturing more sustainable and competitive. Transportation is another area undergoing a massive AI-driven transformation, most notably with autonomous vehicles. These vehicles are equipped with cameras, radar, LiDAR, generating massive data that AI turns into a 3D map to plan and drive. It identifies vehicles, pedestrians, traffic lights, road signs. It then predicts motion and makes decisions about steering, accelerating, braking. Benefits: time back for commuters, efficient logistics, and, most importantly, safety from reducing human error. Beyond safety and convenience, autonomous transportation can increase accessibility and reshape cities for people, not parking. It might be surprising to think of AI in a creative field like art or music, but it is becoming a powerful new tool for artists. AI can be used to generate novel ideas and create new forms of media. A visual artist can describe what they want to see. The AI is not the artist, it is a collaborator. For professionals, AI speeds exploration so humans focus on strategy and taste. It lowers barriers and democratizes creativity. Throughout history, New tools changed art. AI is the next step. Human vision, taste, storytelling, and emotion remain the heart of the work. With all this incredible change, what happens to the jobs that are replaced? Some roles will shrink. Repetitive data entry, simple customer service, routine factory tasks. Historically, new technology removes tasks. Not all jobs. New roles are created. The key is the difference between tasks and jobs. AI may automate some tasks, not entire jobs. AI can analyze. Humans build relationships and negotiate. AI can screen. Humans coach and lead. The jobs of the future focus more on uniquely human skills. The biggest risk isn't AI taking all jobs. It's people being unprepared to shift roles. We must invest in retraining and lifelong learning to help people adapt and work alongside AI. The future can feel big and distant, but the steps you can take to prepare are small and concrete. You just need to start learning, one step at a time. Here is a simple 5-month plan with clear actions you can take right now. Month 1. Learn the tools. Get hands-on experience. Play with freely available AI tools. Use ChatGPT to write an email. Use it to brainstorm ideas. Try a text-to-image tool. Use an AI transcription service. This will demystify AI and show what it can and cannot do. Month 2. Build human skills. Choose one. Public speaking, active listening, creative writing. Join a club. Practice listening. Take a short online course in negotiation or creative problem solving. Month 3. Stay adaptable and learn basic tech. Tech changes. Learn how to learn. You don't need to code, just learn the vocabulary. That builds confidence. Month 4. Focus on problem solving. Look for problems to solve in your work or life. Is a repetitive task ripe for simplification? Could an AI tool help? Could listening or clearer writing fix a breakdown? Identify problems. Think creatively about solutions. Start small. Month 5. Build your personal project. Bring everything together. Create something. The process matters more than the idea. Creating something solidifies learning. You'll have a tangible example of using AI to reach a goal. That builds confidence and helps in interviews. Proving you're proactive and adaptable. Like and subscribe. Put what you want to see next in the comments below. Media should depict abstract representations of the subject matter, such as cities, computers, servers, etc. We started this journey with a shock, an AI performing a complex task in seconds. Healthcare, education, manufacturing, a powerful partner, a personal tutor, a creative muse. We have also faced the hard truth that the world of work is changing. Some jobs will shrink while new ones are born. The future is not a wave that will crash over you. It is a tide that you can learn to navigate. You have the power to choose how you will respond. AI is, at its core, a tool, a hammer, a computer. It has no goals or desires of its own. It is a reflection of the instructions and data we give it. The choice is ours. A threat, an opportunity. Passive observers, active participants, staying curious, focusing on your human skills, learning to use these new tools. You are choosing to be an active participant. The journey of adaptation is a marathon, not a sprint. The 5-month plan is just the beginning. Cultivate a mindset of lifelong learning. Be curious. Ask questions. Play with new technologies. Do not be afraid to be a beginner. The world will continue to change, and the ability to adapt will be your greatest strength. Not just surviving, thriving in the age of AI. I hope this guide has been helpful. Replace anxiety with curiosity and empowerment. The future is bright for those who embrace it. Give it a like, subscribe for more. I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below. What topics do you want next? Your feedback helps me create what you need. Thank you for watching.